Good morning and Assalamu alaikum dear students. Have a nice day. Hope so all of you will be fine. Students, we are going to take our 12 online lecture. Chapter number 3, using communication tools, task 3, sharing your moments. In this lecture, students, we will discuss about sharing your moments. You can share your thoughts and news, but you can also share your precious files with your friends without having to send them via email or instant messaging programs. OneDrive allows you to create and share folders with your friends, but be careful. If you put documents or photos in public folder, anyone can see them. Okay. Your next slide is what is OneDrive. OneDrive is the cloud storage service developed by Microsoft that allows you to store all your important files securely in one place and then access them virtually anywhere. Okay. Your next slide is why do I need it. The service works similarly to the traditional hard drive, but it's available through the internet with an additional feature. Okay. Your next slide is to work with OneDrive. Similarly, to start working with OneDrive, you need to have a Windows Live account. If you are using Windows Live Messenger, you already have one. Open a web browser, then in the address type www.onedrive.live.com. Then OneDrive's websites will appear. Use your Windows Live username and password and click sign in. Okay. Your next slide is to share a folder with someone. With OneDrive, you can share files with other people. Create a folder, give it a name. Then you can exchange files only with the people you choose. First of all, click create and then click folder, type the name you want and click create. Then that's it. Now you have a new folder. Then click it to open, select it and click share. Then the sharing windows will appear. Okay. Students, your next slide is smart tip. First of all, for all services like OneDrive, there is a limit to the amount of files you can upload. Then at the moment you can put 7 GB of data on OneDrive for free, but these limits grow as data storage becomes cheaper. Okay. Students, your next slide is add file. In order to share some files, you have to put these inside a share folder. Then it's an easy and as using copy paste on your computer. You can upload very large files to OneDrive, but remember that you are using the cloud, the internet. Uploading is not as fast as downloading and needs more time to finish. Be patient. Okay. Your next slide is view photos. In view photos, if you want to see a photo, just like and it will appear on your screen. Then the rest of the photo will be displayed as small thumbnail at the bottom. Be safe. Always double check the files you are sharing. Then you don't want your friends to get a virus by mistake. Okay. Students, your next slide is your hands-on. Your hands-on task is I have a secret missions for you. Try to find some photos that only your friends can see and use OneDrive. Can you do it? Here is a list of things. Circle the ones that you can share via email, OneDrive. Okay. Like photos, documents, videos, movie are used to share OneDrive. Okay. Students, hope so you can easily understand this lecture. Allah Hafiz.